Hello everyone, I am Felix, CEO and co-founder of DyeMansion. I'm extremely excited to announce something new that we came up with. It's a totally new offering powered by DyeMansion, and it's called the Black Diamond Finishing Hub, Industrial Post-Processing as a Service. The Black Diamond Finishing Hub is a finishing service for everybody who wants to have the highest quality powder bed parts that are available on the market. Since no capex investment is needed to use the service, it's the easiest way to get access to industrial finishing. The Finishing Hub is a service where people will get their parts back within a very fast processing time of just 2 days, and there will be no minimum order value. With the Hub, we will focus just on the finishes and the color with the highest demand on the market. Polyshot surfacing, our mechanical blasting process, vaporfuse surfacing, our vapor polishing process, and deep dye coloring, the most advanced coloring process in the industry, and there we go for black only. Let me show you the options quickly. Polyshot surfacing, your product gets a very nice looking end-use part with a semi-gloss surface. The parts get a higher scratch resistance plus softer haptics. Vaporfuse surfacing, your parts get an unseen level of smoothness with the same properties as injection molded parts. The parts become sealed, stronger and airtight, no matter how complex the geometry is. Both finishes will be combined with our DyeMansion black. It's the deepest and most homogeneous black you find on any 3D printed part. With our deep dye coloring technology, we achieve ISO certified color fastness, highest UV stability and scratch resistance to ensure top quality results for any use. On top, our deep dye coloring technology meets standards for skin compatibility and resistance to light and heat, assuring durability and safety. In combination with our 2 finishing options, you will get the best quality available in our industry. Our Black Diamond Finishing Hub will initially be available for 2 materials, PA11 and PA12, from our strategic partners EOS, HP and Stratasys, as well as our extended network of partners like Fasun, Sinterit, Sintratec, Formlabs, Voxeljet, 3D Systems and Nexa 3D. For the start, the service will be available through both DyeMansion locations, Munich for the Europe region and Austin for North America. But that's just the beginning. By the end of the year, we will scale the service to several locations around the world by using our extensive production partner network, comprised by the most advanced service providers in the world who use DyeMansion post-processing equipment. This means you will get our black diamond quality very close to you, no matter where you are in the world. You may ask yourself, why only black? By only offering black, we can offer faster delivery times and better prices, as well as the option to streamline the process through our extensive production partner network in an efficient way. If you are looking for other finishing options or colors, you also have the option to contact our production partner network or our on-demand finishing service directly. Interested in testing our Black Diamond Finishing Hub? Our sales partners can provide you with a €100 voucher to try it out for free, or just visit our website.